Okay, so sekarang alah cakap English lagi senang sikit. So today we're going to see this Blam car, newly built by Option Sound, JB. Come, let me show you. So Ultra SS, their DSP, C4 for the mid-range and tweeter. This is the fuse, the 12-inch sub. Then they have two more amplifier here. One M4, one Emeron. Emeron is for the sub. So let me give you a side angle before we go in. Okay, come, let's go in front. Right in front of this HRV. Is it HRV? Yes, I think it's the HRV. Yeah, this is the Blam. Which model? I think this Multrix 3. Yeah, I think it's Multrix 3. You know, so this currently Blam is Blam, how you call it, this French brand. Yep. So yeah, come, let me show you what's inside here. Keep it simple. It's a pillar here with the tweeter. I can't really see the tweeter. Let me bring in the flash. Yep. I got an aura light here. Oops. Right. Let me try to play with it. Yep. So this is the mid-range and the tweeter. Very nicely done. Then we have their Helix director for the Ultra S. Then we have the Alpine player MTX08. Yep, let me give you a nice view here. Yeah, and then the mid bass. Nicely done mid bass. Of course, you can see the Alpine thing here. Yeah, the Alpine players here. There's a controller. Come, let me give you some sound sampling. So we are going with Mama Nature. Come, let's go.
What went wrong, sister? So you're running out of time. You camouflage your colors, but there's something you can't hide. Cause you only marry money to wear those party shoes. But when you're done with dancing, don't forget the blues. Don't give up on the blues. The crowd is out the window, but he don't bother me. I'm watching all the people to keep your city free. Mama's getting worried, but you just please yourself. Hanging out till midnight, just like everybody else. I hear Mama Nature calling, the writings on the wall. And brother, you don't care. No sister, you don't care. Mama said don't be home late. Side the trail, you disobey. Now she don't care. No, she don't care.